I presume this is Zoom, but no, this isn't for anything. I don't think. I don't think it zooms. Trying to read the side, but I'm getting Mason at the same time. There we go. Oh yeah, digital zoom.
How is it? Was there much traffic out there? Is everything
not much at all.
really busy? Yeah. I went up there, so I went to the desk and I said back to work. To hear from across the street, like some major rap song that somebody must have got.
Oh no. Talk about their neighbors.
I know.
Somebody has rap one?
Somebody across the street had a major rap song going that somebody must have got. You hear like it sort of thudding through the walls. Somebody got out.
Oh, there it is. Oh, there's an extreme close-up on your beautiful face. Yeah. Oh, except if you move, then it's close-up on your ear. And nice. Okay, so this is widescreen. Got it. Figured it out. There's Daddy. Yeah, we figured out where close-up was. There, now in an extreme close-up of your face. Well, not that close actually. It's not an extreme close-up. And there's Auntie Pam. Where is she? Got her looking for you. Oh, you know what? You backlit, yeah. So you're kind of, this is the overexposed artistic look of Auntie Pam. And there she's suddenly going to appear because there's black behind her. Cool. And there's Grams. Yeah, and there's Graham's foot. Like, should we always picture Graham's foot going up and down, up and down? Yeah. Good. Here's another one of Darlene. If I can find her, I'm going to come wider. Oh, did you find those in your stocking? Oh, yeah. No, they're for Pammy. More Christmas socks. And back to Mason. And should we find Gramps? Let's go find Gramps. I'll follow you. Yeah? Here we go. Yeah, go slow. The oven's shut. It's okay now. Here we go on Gramps. Making gravy. And there's Grams. And here we go. Nice. Gramps makes the best gravy. And here is the bird. Everyone described as a shiny bird.
Glowing.
Glowing. I am hungry now. I can't wait to eat. Christmas breakfast. There's Daddy sneaking. Oh no, he's not. He's just lightly tapping it, thinking about what it would be like to eat it.
It's all about the sound.
Ah, right.
Sounds great, then it's a good turkey.
Good. And shall I follow you back?